so early in the morning. I am eating my breakfast. Don't trust me. It's like, I don't know, but the rabbit's in the background, right, in its cage, so it might see some movement. Yeah, it's the rabbit. So, I don't really know what to do in this video, but, yeah. Whoa. Rabbit back on that. Right, what should we do today? Should we go then? Where? Eat my breakfast. What? What? I don't get exit that. Some DVD player for some reason. I'm creating a file. And I know how to work things. Just find a disc on my wall. Cut it out. I'll take a disc out for you. Good job. Move on. File. Yeah. What color label? What color should we have, guys? In like 60 days time, I'm gonna change my Can you shut up, Mr. The rabbit? Oh, right. Look at the little rabbit. He's like, what's going on? Oh, it's so adorable. Isn't he adorable? The cat outside. Wait. Hello. Door, it was open. And the cat is in the voice. Right. Okay. Alright, I want to install. How do I install this thing? This is a very old laptop. It's a very old laptop. It's a very old laptop, okay? Cookie. Network, is that fun? Wait, find her. I don't know. My profile. So, I'm gonna change my profile picture to an Enderman, because I'm going back to my old channel name, Enderman Gamer. Oh yeah, the cat's there. You've just gone outside and he wants to go out again. Come up here, Bobby. Oh, stop getting me. I need to eat this up because we have to go to school in like an hour. I cannot post a video longer than 15 minutes. So, oh, by the way, I might have done this in another video, but you guys can go and check out my friends' channels. Jelly Boy, which has a cool intro, but I don't know how to do intros, so some of you might think I'm boring, but I'm not. Okay, I'm not boring. I may be eating breakfast at a wooden table at 6 o'clock in the morning, but that is normal, okay? I do that every morning. Wait, just cannot do that. I wake up like 8 o'clock on Saturdays. And guys, this is the exciting part. I'll give you a six. I am going to join. I'll give you like 5 seconds to figure it out. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, my nose is itching on the side. 3, 2, wait, 1. Pinky. Dead. This is a dislike. This is a like. He succeeds. If I Jacksepticeye picture. Top of the morning, ladies. My name is Jacksepticeye. Yeah, I need to eat this up. Nom 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 nom. Hello? How you doing? Okay, we need to go on to YouTube so I can check out my channel views are going. Okay. How do we exit out of it? Oh, I'm so delightful. I want to knock out. I need to be a proper douchebag. So. Yeah. So guys, we have training on Wednesdays for football and matches on Saturday, yeah? So, yeah, I quit football. I quit Ravens, I quit any type of football. But they don't really care, because they're like, oh, he's the worst player anyway. But I'm horrible at midfield and defense and any other point you can think of. Mid-defense, striker midfield. Top of the morning, wait. Top of the morning. I just broke it. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So stop disliking, subscribe, Right. So, in the comment section below, think of a new YouTube channel name, like Enderman Gamer or something like that. But, yeah. If you think of anything, even if it's bizarre, like the red t-shirt, the black t-shirt, the last sort of thing with a ring under it behind me. I'm just guessing what it is. I'm just guessing it's around here. Wait, that way. Yeah. Mum doesn't know I'm recording. Guys, I have a problem about like fiddling with stuff. I'm constantly fiddling with my pen back. Let's go on there. So I asked my mum to buy this spinning thing where you hold it in your fingers and you just spin it. It's really cool. I'm gonna do that. I don't like those fidget cubes because I hate them. They don't do the job. Oh, I love doing it. Okay, so